When it comes to sustainable farming, choosing the right rabbit breed can make a significant difference in meat and fur production. Rabbits are efficient, fast-growing, and require less space compared to traditional livestock, making them an excellent choice for small-scale and commercial farmers alike. In this guide, we'll explore the 5 best rabbit breeds for meat and fur production, highlighting their unique characteristics, benefits, and why they stand out in the world of smart agriculture. Rabbits offer multiple advantages for farmers. They mature quickly, have a high reproductive rate, and provide both high-quality meat and valuable fur. Selecting the right breed is essential for maximizing your yield and ensuring healthy, productive animals. Whether you're starting a rabbitry or looking to expand your existing operation, knowing which rabbit breeds excel in meat and fur production will help you make informed decisions. Let's begin with one of the most popular breeds worldwide, the New Zealand White. Renowned for its rapid growth rate and impressive meat yield, the New Zealand White is a staple in commercial rabbit farming. These rabbits typically reach market weight in just 8 to 12 weeks, making them an efficient choice for meat production. Their large, muscular bodies can weigh up to 12 pounds, and their calm temperament makes them easy to manage. In addition to their meat, New Zealand Whites produce a soft white fur that is ideal for crafting and textiles. Their adaptability to different climates and strong immune systems make them a reliable option for both beginners and experienced farmers. Next on our list is the Californian rabbit, a breed originally developed by crossing New Zealand Whites with chinchillas. The result is a rabbit with superior meat quality and attractive fur. Californians are known for their distinctive white coats with dark ears, nose, and feet. Their compact bodies and fast growth rate make them highly efficient meat producers, reaching market weight quickly and yielding tender, flavorful meat. The dense, plush fur of the Californian is sought after in the fur industry, making this breed a dual-purpose powerhouse. Their gentle disposition and ease of handling also contribute to their popularity among rabbit breeders. Moving on, we have the Champagne d'Argent, a French breed prized for both its luxurious fur and quality meat. The Champagne d'Argent is famous for its striking silver coat, which develops as the rabbit matures. This breed boasts a firm, muscular body, making it ideal for meat production. The fine, dense fur is highly valued in the garment industry, and its unique coloration adds a touch of elegance to any rabbitry. Champagnes are hardy rabbits, well suited for various environmental conditions, and possess a docile nature that makes them easy to work with. If you're looking for a breed that delivers both premium meat and eye-catching fur, the Champagne d'Argent is an excellent choice. Fourth on our list is the Rex rabbit, widely regarded as the king of fur rabbits. The Rex is celebrated for its velvety, plush coat, which is unlike any other rabbit breed. This unique fur is short, dense, and has a luxurious texture, making it highly sought after by the fashion industry. In addition to its fur, the Rex is also a solid meat producer, with a well-developed body and good growth rate. Rex rabbits come in a variety of colors, adding diversity to your rabbitry. Their friendly personalities and adaptability make them a favorite among hobbyists and commercial breeders alike. If premium fur is your primary goal, but you also want a reliable meat source, the Rex rabbit offers the best of both worlds. Last but certainly not least, we have the Flemish Giant, the largest domestic rabbit breed. These gentle giants can weigh up to 15 pounds or more, making them exceptional meat producers. The Flemish Giant's size translates to higher meat yield per rabbit, which can significantly boost the productivity of your operation. Their long, dense fur is also valuable, though not as plush as the Rex. Flemish Giants are known for their calm, laid-back temperament, making them easy to handle despite their size. They do require more space and feed compared to other breeds, but their impressive meat and fur output make them a worthwhile investment for serious rabbit farmers. To recap, the 5 best rabbit breeds for meat and fur production are the New Zealand White, Californian, Champagne d'Argent, Rex, and Flemish Giant. Each breed offers unique advantages, from rapid growth and high meat yield to luxurious fur that commands premium prices in the market. When selecting a breed, consider your specific goals, available resources, and market demand in your area. Proper care, housing, and nutrition are essential for maximizing the potential of these breeds. Let's discuss a few tips for successful rabbit farming. First, always source your breeding stock from reputable breeders to ensure healthy, disease-free animals. Provide clean, spacious housing with adequate ventilation, and maintain a consistent feeding regimen that includes high-quality pellets, fresh hay, and clean water. Regular health checks and prompt treatment of any issues will keep your rabbits thriving and productive. Breeding management is crucial for optimizing meat and fur production. Keep detailed records of breeding cycles, growth rates, and health status to track your progress and make informed decisions. Implement rotational breeding to maintain genetic diversity and avoid inbreeding, which can lead to health problems and reduced productivity. Marketing is another key aspect of rabbit farming success. Identify your target market for both meat and fur products and build relationships with local butchers, restaurants, and artisans. Use social media and online platforms to showcase your products and connect with customers. Highlight the benefits of rabbit meat, such as its high protein content, low fat, and versatility in the kitchen. For fur, emphasize the sustainability and variety of textures and colors available from different breeds. Rabbit farming is a sustainable and profitable venture when approached with the right knowledge and resources. By choosing the best breeds for meat and fur production, you can maximize your returns and contribute to smart agriculture practices. Rabbits require less land and water compared to larger livestock, and their rapid reproductive cycles mean you can scale up quickly to meet market demand. In conclusion, New Zealand White, Californian, Champagne Dargent, Rex, and Flemish Giant are the top choices for farmers aiming to produce high-quality meat and fur. Each breed brings something unique to the table, whether it's rapid growth, premium fur, or impressive size. With proper care, smart breeding, and strategic marketing, you can build a successful rabbit farming business that supports your goals and promotes sustainability. If you're ready to start or improve your rabbitry, consider these breeds and follow best practices to ensure healthy, productive animals. Stay informed, keep learning, and connect with other rabbit farmers to share experiences and insights. By leveraging these top breeds and smart farming techniques, you'll be well on your way to thriving in the world of rabbit meat and fur production.